The Supreme Court has ruled that using swear words or vulgar language alone does not amount to obscenity under the law. A bench of Justices Sanjay Karol and Vipul M. Pancholi said abusive or offensive words, however uncivil, cannot automatically attract charges under Section 294 of the Indian Penal Code. The court observed that for speech to be considered obscene, it must be lascivious, appeal to prurient interests, and have the tendency to deprave or corrupt those exposed to it. The bench said that merely using profanities does not meet this legal test. The judges also pointed out that Section 294 requires the act to cause annoyance to others in a public place, which was not established in the case before the court. The ruling came while hearing an appeal in a 2017 property dispute in Tamil Nadu. The petitioner had been convicted by a trial court under sections 294B, 326 and 506 section 2 of the IPC, along with provisions of the SC/ST Prevention of Atrocities Act, after allegedly abusing and threatening the complainant during an argument. While the Madras High Court had earlier acquitted him under the SC/ST Act, it had upheld his conviction under the IPC sections.